You guys, I really hate to break it to you. We're out here at Eastaboga Manor, and this is it for me and Nora. They broke us up inside here. Bye, Nora.
Bye.
Bye. You'll see what I mean here in just a second. But yes, we are at Eastaboga Manor, Eastaboga, Alabama. We're here for their Valentine's Day event. They do have this awesome haunted house here on the site, and a lot of the haunt takes place outside. Got a ton of property back here. The haunted house is still huge. We're gonna take you through with us to see what I'm talking about. Without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Don't touch the actors. Actors will touch you now. They might touch you.
Okay.
But anyway, the one that might touch you is Cupid. Cupid likes to cuddle.
Okay, we might get Cupid cuddles.
You
Cupid
may
cuddles.
Cupid cuddles. Very
Okay.
much so.
All right.
I go find
Thank
Cupid.
You're so
Woo!
welcome.
I'm gonna take the balloons with me. Hi, Cupid.
Oh, there's Cupid.
I heard you want cuddles.
I'll cuddle, yeah. Yeah.
We got Cupid cuddles right off the bat.
We got him.
Well, Tatis got his hands full. You get to spin the wheel.
Oh, spin the
spin the
wheel?
wheel.
Oh, God.
Ooh, that's gross.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
He's going,
I get to
okay.
be solo.
Sorry, Vince.
Vince had to take the fall for that one.
Well,
You get to go this way.
Caw! Caw!
You too.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Black
Ooh,
Rose.
it's Black Rose.
Nice.
Thank you, Cupid.
Thanks for the cuddles, Cupid.
Thank you for the cuddles. Vince.
Vince.
Oh, God, there's a spider.
The heck is, oh, there's one up here.
Where did he go? They...
Valentine blue!
Oh, God.
I hate Valentine's Day! You better run before I get you!
Uh-oh, run. They took Vince. I don't know where they took him.
Can I stay for dinner?
No. Don't look safe. Oh, God.
I'll stuff you in the oven.
Oh.
We'll make a nice Valentine's Day dinner.
Oh, goodness.
Where you going? Come back!
We don't want to get stuck to the bathroom. It sounds,
You wanna get stuck in the oven?
it sounds dangerous.
Come on, where are you going?
We're avoiding imminent death.
Woo!
Oh, my.
Hey, you! Did you take my husband?
No.
Was it you?
No, ma'am. There's Vince. We found
There's
him.
Vince. Vince, she wants you back in there.
Oh, my.
Stay with me!
Oh, I don't know.
I'll come for you!
Is it safe? I don't think it would be very safe.
Is it safe?
No.
It looks a little toxic in here.
You've been drinking this stuff?
Of course, it's so
Oh,
good!
no, that's a bad idea. Bad idea.
Oh, God. Oh, what are we going into here?
Sounds. Ooh, more balloons. Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
Oh, God.
Oh, she didn't make it.
I think those are vampires. Uh-oh. Cemetery.
Here at Hallows Cemetery.
they're watching us through the window.
Oh, Tyler.
Uh-oh. He spotted us.
Shoot. We're screwed. Oh.
Whoa! God.
It's not really good!
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. I think.
Oh.
Oh, my.
Oh, God. What the heck is that? I thought
The
something
plague
moved.
doctor.
A furnace room.
Oh, my. Uh-oh. There's somebody lurking. Oh, God.
Come out of nowhere.
Going that way.
Where'd you come to talk to me?
There's
Going
not much
through.
talking here. We'll get burned. What is that? Oh, it's the rustle of leaves.
Watch out for your shadow. Oh, good night.
Oh, God. It's a monster in the leaves. Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, God. There's three of them. Oh, my.
Oh, God.
Oh, my goodness. They're growling. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. They're popping up everywhere.
Those might be the scariest monsters out here.
Oh, my
No,
goodness. They're mini monsters.
Oh, God.
What is that?
They come out of nowhere.
Oh, my goodness.
You can't see them coming.
For the what?
For the who?
Oh, my.
Oh,
Oh, what the? Watch out for the big hole.
big hole?
Oh, God. Watch out for the big hole.
Okay, we're gonna watch for it. Watch out for the hole. Oh, that's not a hole. They did say hole, right?
They did say
This
hole.
is awesome.
I've never seen an evil tool shed.
It was evil, all right. We're in there looking for a hole, and
No holes.
they tricked us.
They did.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Coming in.
Always knock. It says beware.
Oh, somebody likes to read.
And file things, right?
Oh, yeah.
As one does.
Yeah.
Somebody's
Wonder what's
office.
in there. I hear some creepy music, too. National...
Hello.
Play with me!
Oh, my gosh.
Play.
It's part bear.
Please!
Do you bite?
Play with me! Where you going?
We're going
No.
this way.
Please!
We're
don't
going to
play with
safety.
evil teddy bears.
Don't leave!
Oh God.
Oh, my goodness. What is that?
Angry teddy bears.
Oh, what is that?
Valentine.
There's some cockroaches. Oh, oh no.
There's more mini monsters.
Holy.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh, good.
Yo, what?
Please give me your love! Please have your love!
Oh my goodness.
I need it. No. Oh, my God. Okay.
That is-
I need your love! Oh my God, please!
No, it must stay. I have to keep it. Oh, God, Tyler.
That
She
is
was-
some retainer.
Yeah. Oh, God. Okay,
is-
okay. She's on the ground.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh God.
She was bent over backwards when Vince went in there.
Oh man.
This is a big closet.
God.
There's something in the closet.
Oh
Oh, my
my.
goodness. That's not nice.
Whoa.
Oh, what is it? Oh! There's
Oh God. He's reaching out. Oh God.
Oh my God. Oh no, what is that?
Where the heck are
It's a
we?
Demogorgon.
Why? Where are we?
I don't know.
There's demogorgons.
We have made it into some lost land. Oh, where there's dragons and Demogorgons.
Oh God.
And
Dragons.
Oh, this looks awesome.
It does. Check out the
My.
ivy.
I bet nobody's been in here. Or they have. Oh God. Ah, it's the Watcher.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Finally met our match.
Okay. All right. We get the point.
Keep going.
Okay. Oh wow.
Still behind
Oh, you decorate in a really weird way. Oh God. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Oh, going this way.
Oh, he's put us in his freezer.
He's still on. Holy crap.
Oh, the body freezer.
This is where he keeps them.
You're not adding us to your collection. No.
What's a me? I gotta hand you the hand.
Holy cow.
Wow, that's nice. Oh yeah. Oh,
$30 bucks.
that poor $30. I think you got a little frostbite.
No, I don't.
Okay.
You need a hand?
I'm good. I've got one already. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Another?
I'm good. I think it might be funny if I get 3.
Sir.
Sir. I know. I don't trust the corners now.
Always look around the corner.
Can't trust them.
Oh, that didn't work.
Looking around the corner.
That did not work, Vince.
Oh God.
Okay. You are sneaky.
Oh God.
Oh.
All right, this gets colorful.
Oh, it's the Eastaboga Manor Circus. It's the circus. Hello.
Hi, Doubles.
I
Oh.
also have my sister Daisy running around somewhere. I don't know where she is.
Oh, is that? Oh, there's Daisy. Oh my goodness. Oh.
You want to stay with me?
Play with you.
You want to stay?
I have to see another haunt.
You have to see another rat. Why don't you come with? I can come with. Yeah?
You can come with us.
Oh God. Okay. Oh, he's
Stay.
clattering around. He's having fun. We can stay and clatter around, I guess. Maybe we'll come back later. Oh my goodness! There's a little one. Oh, okay. Are you gonna? Okay. Oh,
Oh my. Oh, hello. Oh, thank you.
Bubbles jail.
See, Vince, you done went and got us thrown in jail.
He did. I don't like it. It's too big.
Got the saloon.
Something's gotta be watching us. You would never know this is all back here.
No, it's huge.
Into
Oh,
the
wow.
junkyard.
Junkyard?
One man's junk is another man's treasure.
Yes. Or hiding spot.
Probably a hiding spot.
I don't know about it. We escaped the jail, I think. We don't know.
You don't know.
No.
You're about to find out. You'll be in here for the rest of your life.
Oh, no. That's not necessary.
It is necessary.
No.
When I get hungry, I stay hungry.
Oh, God. Well, there's another group of screaming people behind us. Oh, somebody's on the bus.
We're about to be on the
Oh,
bus.
I was getting ready to say, we're going in there, aren't we? We're gonna find out who's in the bus. We did not do it.
Didn't do it.
No.
This must be the prison.
No, not
We're
me.
just passing through, that's all. Oh, completely harmless.
You didn't bring me no flour, no candies, no nothing.
No.
No nothing.
I did not. Nobody told me to bring you anything.
You stay with me.
Oh, God.
Oh.
You stay with me.
They're taking
Okay,
Nora.
all right.
They're taking
I don't-
Nora.
Ah!
You stay right there.
Oh, my.
You have to keep.
Bye-bye.
Oh, we have to leave. Oh,
Happy
no.
Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Nora.
Bye-bye.
Oh, God. Bye, Nora.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh God, help! Oh God. Okay, she's gonna bite me or something.
I always
We
said
gotta bring
that-
her chocolates next time.
Chocolates? Oh, God.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
She still looks angry. Oh, my. Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Now there's the love shack.
Oh, that's 100%. What the heck is that?
Oh, there's two of them. Oh, no. You
Oh, my.
stay right there.
Love shack.
Oh, yeah. I like the love
my.
shack. This doesn't look like love.
Oh, God.
We are we here?
We're not real sure.
Not sure.
We were just trying to escape the jail.
Jail?
But, yeah.
Don't look at me.
Fudge, you stay. You better stay right there.
No.
Oh.
I ain't staying anywhere.
No, not you that.
Oh, that's Tony.
Tony?
Tony?
What are you...
He has a name.
I think he's sizing us up.
Oh, yep. Oh, God.
For something.
Oh, God. He's gonna cut our necks off.
Tony? Oh my. Okay. Why are they all so mad?
Oh, my. Still falling. Oh, God. Oh, my.
Yeah, right about.
The love shack's not very loving. Uh-oh. Ooh, look at these spooky trees.
Still falling. Still falling back
Oh
here.
gosh.
Oh, God.
You got a lot of followers today, Tyler. I like the purple.
He's coming back.
You almost gave him away, but it didn't work. He was too fast.
Now we're going under the cemetery.
What's going on there?
Some levitation.
Uh-oh, yeah, somebody's definitely floating. Oh my.
Doing some kind of ritual or something.
Oh my goodness. That's good. Yeah, I like
Oh,
that.
God.
That was good. Spit you out into their gift shop.
Oh,
Yes,
maybe.
indeed.
Yes. I think we're
we
safe.
safe?
Oh yes.
All right, guys, well, that was Eastaboga Manor down here in Eastaboga, Alabama. Let us know what you thought. Like I say, you would not believe how much stuff is going on just in the property out here. Cannot wait to come back once they've got the haunted house open. Make sure you follow their page and keep updated with them. They got several more off-season events coming on here before Halloween season, so check those out too. If you do come out and see them, tell them Scare Factors hit you. We're going to a bunch more haunts down here in Alabama for Valentine's Day. I've got the next one linked for you right here. You are not gonna wanna miss it. I'll see you over there. Until then, stay scary.